we were playing those things, a lot of things happened. We didn't take it seriously. But after some time, after retirement, when you sit back and you look at it, you say, hey, if like before, I would have done this too.
Like what?
Let me say, in terms of football, like training and discipline, respect, we did a lot of things that we shouldn't have done. But, excuse me for me to say, like this humanizing things, then, yeah, it has affected us a lot,
So, now, the younger people who are watching you, what do you say to them? Because obviously you have lessons that they serve them well. What do you say to them?
Yeah, the only advice I would say to them is, in football, it goes with discipline and respect, and also hard work. You have to respect yourself. You have to respect yourself, respect the game that you are playing, and also, let me say, okay, that's all maybe I can say for now. Yeah.
Your club had to go. How far do you think they can go this season? Can they win the league?
Frankly,
say has a quarter no money vision akobo.
Vision for you.
Yeah, na menim say can't benya vision for ni post no.
Sir.
Adwen.
Omo sa ka omo ebia.
Omo post no pe de omo tweet na ankasa kra de me screenshot no. Omo de omo troye no.
Heard the former big club are feeling confidence. We will see about that on Sunday. Yes,
or say former big club. Vision for Frey House of Folk, former big club. Now, sans and some now to sans and some will be also a rare hook crab because. But 2-3 seasons, near Sana teams in the day has. It seems say Omone has a Beshabiana. Omo post unsend and say near both teams never say. How are Omasha CM engage fans no social media no? Yes, I banter never by. In a way, so no. Na Muslim mo post omo directed to House of Folk no. Maybe to me when they say I say omo church omo dodo. One. Minim say agro no moody. Minim say vision for na agro no moody. And yen ya muzukra no yen need nkomo na oka the same thing minim say agro no moody by. To be honest with you. We House of Folk 10 years. Busa won say dey na be ba House of Folk. Any vision ba ko bobo. Na vision for say House of Folk a former big club. Busa won sa. The reason why a vision be say ade na say. Ohun say House of Folk enti say enkan House of Folk. Ade e ma team kese ye friend team kese ni omo House of Folk say. By me nua muzu na vision for no. House of Folk a big club still na no. Because na say na omo Samate's boy, omo VIP no omo G 20 cedi. So say House of Folk in big club, I na wo G 1500. So vision for say house enya big club. Nancy omo ne Samate's boy no. VIP one omo G 20 cedi. And it's a vision for say House of Folk a former big club. Aden na sa former big club hu ne say or ye big club no. Aden na one house be body also dey J 150.
Ebia omo ne ye ne omusu. And I'm a vision for a casa.
A honor na me how on the one. Because the House of Folk say vision House of Folk bebo. Na House of Folk ayen in your matter said ye nim tete enka House of Folk. Or ko obi venue a onsuro or perform very well. Or the big guy say when the team nim or get 3 points onsuro bia. Vision into me being a non cast a former big club to say has. I don't think Vision FC ne Kumasi Asante Kotoko bebo ene. I on beka sa former big club. But the reason why you may use to when do say a agro dear and yes say or many breasts are some nomadeka in a way or the marketing game no. And the country make us an yes say how to forget now. Emma Basaki Holy Stars Beseno. Big me boy.
Yeah.
How to forget now or struggle to win teams are you nim sanka also has to folk. I just at 3 points no. So I did a vision for every House of Folk can so near say and Canadian no more ya near House of Folk more a big club Continental Club Masters. Never say that baby a House of Folk e ko baby ehun no say sadie na yira enti ene vision e ba betina tema onim say vision FC o ma empanyimfo ne House of Folk for empanyimfo mo e fa vision o mo ye bibi o mo ye House for so vision for ade on person omo ye nyina na say omo twe house for ade esi so say enka ne de na ema mo ya na ema house of folk osoro say mejai say there is no way say house of folk e kwa we a and say okọ venue bi a house of folk betimi ne nsense ne bu aka say okofa 3 points enka ne na ye bo match we ebusa say na house say first bote Taylor osay kufo general amankwamre kumo na house bobo ayembusa say house match ne kosi say yo yebusa say ene de house e say by ne for the past 3 seasons they won't mean the same thing our Accra house of folk and to say ne house of folk in the Baseke Holy Stars ikoshia Baseke for to me e kan sem ya outre house say house of folk anything be to say young apostles ikoshia young apostles for to me brage edit here house of folk amene Vision FC for etne fie wotema no ne house of folk aba Vision FC for say o ma to say the former big club eso more confidence on the 3 points
dream there ukoto say akoda young girl na eja o kasakasa basabasa etia papa penyin na waje papa penyin ti meje akoda ketekete bag no ne na ma uhu a wodi enti a abasa
no kre
na say papa penyin no waye de nkwada ye ase what say yes sir what say yes sir on fo buo mfa
ma say house of folk ye de nkwada ye
that's the fact enti bon say papa penyin pa na nka wo bekọ if the boss we dwuma bekọ na small girl bi e true no left right center
because they say what this
is about from exactly
and the house of folk position na ma Vision FC kasa e house or dey ne ho aba from
bigi koku lemons bi ede be ma wa brabom bia na make sure say turning into lemonade na nema na asesa in your favor asem we ya Vision FC ka no asema asema ha adwen. But then again, I was a hard to folk Gina Sadia with their motivation. No more Vision FC for any who say, Omo that's a big club. And the only way I had to folk be you two way as a motivation. No more Vision FC and Omo that's a big club no, by winning against Vision FC. And no pet, and no mobile media as Adia no. And my had to folk in Concord Tenase. No mungo share Vision FC. No only Vision FC about. Now had to folk and me and share Vision. So I want to be and share Vision indirectly. Had to fucking confirm some na Vision FC account for mo no so mo ye former big club omo nya big club bi no indirectly say want to be and Vision FC or confirm say ansem no and you have to focus supporters no this is the time a team ni be here omo support Abubakar Watara this is the time a team ni be here sao performance no magic na ya wo ye no this is the time afei na wo so o kire say o ye big club say ebia na Vision for ni hu ye because had to folk ebia had to folk enya nyi omo mo nche omo edito onya no mo nche wa oni wo baba be hia already league ni mumpo wadi cash and 1-0 dada they met in the first round and only called him a had to folk but still onya convinced with quite had to folk de na faso obe hia another dose now man akoma atoni yam sampa afi de we hia big club eti nkomo no de ne tentini ni tietia nyina ne say had to folk nkono nkonkoji Vision no nche no onche Vision no vanche Vision so that so your big club onya former big club biom that is the only way had to folk ebema Vision for na sesa o ma no nipa no ni nya mo yempo e na wa sha ase a wo twetwi wa wo huru zei na how much more no bebo a untimi nhye no ana so no bebo no be hye wo ene ese na nko had to folk awu eti ade na esi no de ekoso no me eye me de in the sense that I was had to folk their motivation this time around no mo make sure so mo be share Vision FC for the second time na se mitimicho na me show home and away me ball back to back e wa Ghana Premier League ni mu na obeka sa menya big club na no de toje wa entu nyi obia it had to folk use way as a motivation for themselves kwame omo mfanye motivation mfama omo ho because they from former big club the only way I'll be changing statement I'm na muta order so your big club name onya former big club no e yes obeko ni home no akwa che no address our dominance e Ghana Premier League ni no and I trust say Abubakar Watara be yes ejubaro because no this season no pressure ba na o che ahon kire ba e na o che o tise supporters bi bo chobo ya tia na e na okokwo che etinsem ya Vision akan onkonko gina sansem ne so no nje the 3 maximum points and farmer has to football boko no kwame
yes enra Kumasi Asante Kotoko company for ewo Kotoko omankasa secretariat no meeting koso na technical members no then Kumasi Asante Kotoko management members no na meeting e course no impanyimfo ekopie mu wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko meeting ase ni nyina no egitu mu say for now Kotoko going for the double enye supporters na can by the technical team of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the management team of Kumasi Asante Kotoko in a meeting no omagia tum say Kumasi Asante Kotoko going for the double our muji two mu no muji two mu there was a plan in a meeting na course no plan here say in penyimfo na say ehun say the next 4 years and 4 seasons I was a Kotoko edge Ghana Premier League twaso
It was 4.
yes.
I love that. I love this.
Meeting a course, the course will meeting as in a medema.
I love
so we are Kotoko support and a meeting a course.
I love that.
Almost say Kotoko bet my idea wa Africa. And what's the one? Domestically, your league na yebo na what's a Kotoko etimi really to atwaso. That was the first thing on my boss.
Asamama so many years.
Yeah.
I'm happy said they are seeing it. If you are not dominant with your Africa any year.
So during the meeting, Anna Penny 4 years say, and yes, say, Omo person Omo kwa Africa kwa koje. By the more no Omo kono, na Omo nya exposure, Omo nya experience, na Omo gain sa level na yetimi de ba Africa be dominate bi because they say no, your clubs ni bi wo ho a, Omo so sen Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So our Africa, so say Kotoko betime do some pempen so na, e how Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Every season be able to CAF Champions League. So the first point near say, I was the league, you know, team dominated the next 4 years. No more Africa. Emma nipa baako meeting as a which mean to me body. I say at the time Kumasi Asante Kotoko kwaji omo first African Cup no. Omo bo Africa no to aso be miensa. So the fourth time I said omo de kwaje ye. So omo de sa basis ni to ebe bo Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So the plan omo di kan ye na say 4 years there. League na wasa Kotoko etimi die de etoso mienu omo kan ho no ye say recruitment asem ebemu na recruitment no on say last season Kotoko a wholesale recruitment omo fa nipa bebre no omo jai nipa bebre be no meeting ase no omo jitu mu say this time around omo pamu nipa bebre and omo sign players bebre na Kotoko ebe yusu club assessment and evaluation our recruitment no boba be kwaku Kotoko supporters omo hwemi omutie me metimi de me sense me bo aka cho se Kotoko asho omo recruitment ase players are omo back Kotoko next season Kumasi Asante Kotoko asha ase so the omo ye o meeting as ne say omo use club assessment and evaluation me cheche ma club assessment and evaluation ebe ma Kotoko management Kotoko coaching staff no more clear and vivid idea details about Kotoko team no players are here players are department omo ye weak position omo ye weak why they bet me free why they bet my boy so with that club assessment and evaluation no ebe bo Kumasi Asante Kotoko amo meet my your recruitment so omo recruitment no be no e based on club assessment and evaluation on the field of play and so when no meeting as no omo take omo G2 then again recruitment na maka so masha ase no omo yes scout ni bi okroma say ana outside na de Kotoko e plan o maye ne say omo fa recruitment team ebro 10 na sa recruitment team na omo fa no goalkeeper full back right back position bia no obia de ne de scouting no de okoye beba so fa ne say e goalkeeper no ba akoye hu recruitment me nka so mo ko sign goalkeeper by for example say goalkeeper no be sign recruitment team na Kotoko aform no goalkeeper would appear the most on beteke no ma hwe say obe fete Kotoko e plan na ansa na so recruitment team na Kotoko e use a your scouts or most scouts dem Kotoko no every position every player would be appear the most Kotoko for no be fa no ma analyze it enti Kotoko asha say omo ye omo scouting dada ebi wo outside ebi wo Ghana ha say now the most interesting part has say I mean no ba call touch screen or big screen no Kotoko recruitment plan I have say here Kotoko supporters plan no omo de nyoma miensa na ato ho enu a meeting ase no de di kan players e beba Kotoko next season no physical characteristics omo be hwe physical characteristics ansa no aba Kotoko de toso mienu mental characteristics ansa no aba Kotoko The tosumiensa a tactical characteristics. So the recruitment plan enu amuko meeting aseno a nyoma miensa. Physical, mental, tactical characteristics. Now the country enu meeting as a company for ASA. Say no mbekoni ese Africa no ma target no. Minu mienu big wa say Africa. So person compete to Africa now players na physically. Omuni sura forget it. Because African football no different. And what's the players never bano? And what's physically or mere fit? I will make to compete in Africa. Mental characteristics ni say player no beba kumase Asante Kotoko no. One enye player abeka say oko venue bi ohun supporters na so osuro pressure ba no osuro. And what's the obi a mentally or tough? Obi a mentally or sound. Oko difficult situation kra na obetima psyche no ho. Enye player abeka say oh your man the pressure kakra bi na bebebu. No abotu there be ombehwe saa de no. Ana tactical characteristics no. Omo be for players one obefiti coach ne style ana Kotoko philosophy. So saa nyoma miensa we ana Kotoko ebe gina so dia omu recruitment. And one player omu gina so at the building saa plan we no was Samba Onel. Picture Samba Onel. Sankamenya Samba Onel ni edi ne ho nkoma. For Samba Onel physically or to say kweku
very strong, eh?
Mentally or to say
Charlie, to play for Kotoko in your first game against Hatufo Konokrano, a chance for need the kind of player you are talking about. To mental, excellent.
Tactically or fiti coach ni scheme and on fiti.
Perfect.
So omo pe players omo baby a standard now Kotoko person de kono. Kotoko person omo sign player. I was say a player to say obi or sambo no level no. And to umu sambo no pe, umu say physically or ho, mentally or ho, and tactically or ho. So Kotoko enra meeting a call so ewo omo secretariat no. Dear omode ba bonten recruitment policy and a plan no ana kwaku metimi the amount way Kotoko.
So the plan is good. I think say any bad. You all say then I am seeing more of a structured recruitment.
Good. Ascending waka
no. Just say mako obi ahye Kotoko nti makoto.
Debi.
Because this is more structured.
Yes.
What is? And I love the fact to say any coach in Queen you be jar recruitment because if there is a team obi ahye na adwen me sure say kwesi apia nyempa ye nyina nsa Kotoko be succeed. The same way with Ogum, the same way with Sakufuduku, Nana Prinkra. Obia interest is for Kotoko to progress, but sometimes interest to the beer we are doing you say we are doing you say don't see the share your far dream.
Only one thing about the do transfers there were different types of transfers. There were the future. Kotoko akwa player, the only player with you dating prospects. And you will do for marketing. It said the na supporters neka say monfa players are a between the stadium no. By this time around the Kotoko recruitment a strategic purchases number a strategic. That's the reason why omo de plan number nyoma miensa. So every player be able to Kotoko assign in their bano. Physically or take mentally or take and tactically or take enra meeting a course
it makes a lot of sense.
Maybe I'm a DJ cranny say almost say league on person with it was so four.
And no dear Kwame I am the pass in Penyufono as so uncle because it is something I can't say. And you're possible that say Obeko Africa no acquire the if you are not dominant or league. Nimsa Uma or Dreams FC Sanyam a woman back right to say Porto ni Monaco Aqua Champions League semi-finals. Dortmund they do final in there. But if you want consistent performance, you need to first dominate our league. Because the more you are dominating, what near you from Africa, now we gain experience. It is good. Somebody to me, Ejina come on here about the recruitment. Not so. Inti plan the and the whole effort. Aka execution. We are wishing them all the best. Biggie,
Kwaku,
your mom comment.
Nkomo na ye di ni nyina no ma menka mum na menye ni sei de bia me kasa ade bia tournament bia opesa ogi bia no it is that same tournament you prepare yourself with enti untimi nka se opesa ogi Champions League of Africa opesa ogi Confederations of Africa na Confederations ni Champions League na opesa ogi no kwaku unya opportunity mponko bi e bia wo ko ba ko a just the next 4 years just the next 5 years and sana wasanya akwanya asanya akoba akubiuma then that kind of competition now person woje no e be yedin so obetimi age sa competition no ensi So the kind of tournament you want to win, it is that same tournament you prepare yourself with. And at the back, consistency. Consistency in the playing body, consistency in the technical team, and then consistency in that tournament you want to win. De bia ye wura kase opese Kumasi Asante Kotoko boku no league ne de omo de abekere na ade a open hu sesi a Africa. So betimi ade Africa na you need consistency on the African level. Sa consistency na wo se onya wa Africa mu no e wo se wo ye dominant wo fie ansa na watimi aye consistent wo Africa because a uji league ne baako na se next 2 years next 3 years wantimi anje wantimi anya akwanya na nko Africa there's a gap. Afei sa consistency na obehia na odi akwa gino kwa kutokura baba bedem eti anytime bia wo san qualify akwa Africa biem bia no afei na wo san akwa start afresh eti emwa boboku no if truly Asante Kotoko dream and it obesan so agi Africa biom a consistency na ye ka ho asem no okwa Africa ebi I feel say you have a lot of quality wo team ni domestically obehya nkrofo bebre domestically obeji league ni bebre but qualify kwa Africa na ebi I feel say the best left back e Ghana hanum say left back ni wo quality the more wo soro but okwa Africa na okwa akohia kesefo na omo na ono okwa compete wo Africa no kwaku ubehia winger bi obehun so be expose you left back no enti afei ubehun say domestically left back ni good but continentally the Africa Champions League and Confederation you are going to need another left back no performance e was switch left back now kita say no what of for e dia baba be ka ho no upgrade position no e di portals na deda o team nim no o ko na wo free no gradually now we fill those potholes e deda o team nim it consistently o ko Africa na wo bo na wo free no now dey hihye wo team no enu na betimi aboa mu akwaje the teams that have been winning the Champions League ubeyi Chelsea no at a point no more Champions League finals computer Obebobi against Manchester United in 2008. Obo anu ni wiye no. Esanse na wanya the final experience in 2012 Okoshia Bayern Munich na anya de amfa ma no because he has gotten that experience to be able to win it at the final stage. It is a Kotoko aya na dwen say am purpose so Oji Africa there. Then plan now almost set no. It is the perfect plan for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. They need that consistency at the African level and that domestic dominance because and no and a bit me am consistent. Africa no what me abon humor den kwaku.
Okay.